It's very easy for us to see as far as we can, and I kind of blame it on the world that we stay in. We either think that we can control things, or we want to be in control of many things, which is um, which is true but not complete true. It is a truth but not complete. We do control many things. Law of attraction works. We can do many things in our lives, but then there are so many other things which are out of our control. When you are having a vision is not a wrong thing at all. But when you have a vision, you are setting yourself some expectation as well, whether soft expectation or hard expectation. As long as you set a vision and not get impacted, you will be okay. If you have those expectations from the vision, if your vision is not completed, you will not be okay. Give you one example, my own practice, right? So I do also have vision. I want to achieve so many things. I want to help out people. I want to have something where I can help more and more people out, right? But that is something I leave it to the Almighty or my spiritual world. Even though I have a vision, I am not tied with that. If that happens, that's okay. If that does not happen, that is also okay. Because when we have a vision, we have a way of thinking, way of getting things done, way of doing things. And that may not be the only way. That may be the thing that is preferred, our own preference, based on our own preference. And again, we get into why can't I have my preference? Because you say a law of attraction works and we are capable. Well, we have to understand the other aspects as well. So what I'm trying to say is either we understand the other aspects at play, things that we don't control, so that we feel comfortable of something not happening, or we build our practices in a way that we don't stay aligned with the vision. Because if we stay aligned, and when I say don't stay aligned, it doesn't mean that you stop thinking about the vision, or you don't meditate on it, or you don't visualize, or you don't do for that. You do, but then do not relate with the outcome. Like if I have this vision or dream of helping people out, maybe having my own thing. This group, by the way, is helping me do that, by the way. Did I have the vision of doing this? No, I did not. When I joined this group, did I know that I'm going to run this group or own this group? No, I did not. I only had this idea. I just stayed with that idea of helping people out, and that's it. And everything started to fall in place. If even if you have vision, like my vision, like talk about, I stay on that vision. I keep working on that vision. But if things don't happen as per that vision, I don't. I don't let it impact it. Let it impact me. I don't feel. Oh, maybe I lack something. Maybe I'm not practicing law of attraction properly. Maybe I'm lacking something, or maybe I'm not uh, vibrating at high frequency, or maybe I'm not working hard. I don't think any of that. I only look at, okay, this is something I'm trying to achieve. If that happens, because there are so many other things which is out of my control, then good. If does not happen, even then it is good, because I, even in that journey, will be able to come across many other ways of getting things done. Like when I started to join this group, my idea of helping people out was in a different way. Many people started to talk about, oh, why you don't start making money from it, why you keep it open for free or something. And I feel that this is something, this is not my own, right? Did I invent some information? The information is available for everyone. And if I'm being mean of getting some information across to people, that itself is the nicest reward that universe can give me. I'm not saying everyone should think like me or this is the right way of thinking. I'm not talking from that perspective. But when it comes to vision, it is important that we also have this understanding that it's good to have vision, it's good to work on it. That is what we can do, that is what thing we can control or we control from our side. But something happening is not completely in our hands or in our hands. And if something does not happen and that starts to play on your mind, that start to change the way you think, you end up gonna suffer.